Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is on Edgar Dale's concept of cone of experience. Basically, the video is going to introduce Dale's cone of experience. Shall we begin? First, give a bit of a definition, a little bit of an overview of this concept of cone of experience. This is from a classic work on audiovisual materials from 1969 by Dale, and basically the cone of experience itself is a visual analogy, so it sort of shows something by example, and the cone helps to show that. The cone of experience, it illustrates the progression of learning experiences from concrete to abstract, and I'll show you in a moment just by an actual version of this cone. And something that Dale makes clear in his work is that the cone itself is it's an analogy, it's illustrative, but it's not a prescription for instruction with media. So he's an educator, and he leads to teachers and instructors of various stripes. So as promised, here's an example of the illustration itself. When you look at this cone, this inverted cone, normally if you're ice creaming it, it's upside down. If you want to look at the left, the one between the arrows is passive, and on the top, and then at the bottom, about a third of it is active. So that's the bottom of the pyramid. And then similarly, if you see on the right, the arrows, or the arrow, the parts of the arrow towards the top are abstract, while the bottom are more concrete. So at the top, abstract is reading, and then hearing, then viewing images, watching videos, attending exhibits or a site, watching a demonstration, participating in hands-on workshops, designing collaborative lessons, simulating a model or experiencing a lesson, and finally designing or performing a presentation. So from this, what you get from this is, again, that the bottom part is more concrete while the top is more abstract. So if you want to analyze it, again, the top is more abstract and passive learning experience. The bottom is more concrete and active learning experience. And then, again, sort of based on what was said previously, this cone is not, it's kind of anti-hierarchical. It's not showing which mediums are more or less effective, just that they're different, and it's sort of a way to group them and to sort of help instructors work their way through various, in Dale's case, audio-visual material. And then in terms of AV use, there's this quote from Dale. Quote, "Through the skillful use of radio, audio recording, television, video recording, painting, line drawing, motion picture, photograph, model, exhibit, poster, we can bring the world to the classroom." So the idea of using audio visuals is to bring these various audiovisual material to students so they can encounter the world. Finally, quote, "We can make the past come alive either by reconstructing it or by using records of the past." So again, these audiovisual materials help with that, and they help students learn. Again, kind of going back to some points from before, talking about the difference between like abstract and concrete and passive and active. There's a delicate balance that Dale suggests when using audiovisual material. Here's a final quote for all of this. Quote, "Too much reliance on concrete experience may actually obstruct the process of meaningful generalization." So for this, it's making a nod to more abstract experiences and abstract thought. Like you want to sort of toggle between concrete and abstract, active and passive, and then kind of go back and forth. Finally, you want to balance concrete and abstract AV learning experiences and learning more generally. That was Edgar Dale's cone of experience, an oldie but a goodie. Please feel free to like this video if you like it. Please feel free to comment. Do you agree with the definition? How about the illustration? The analysis? Do you believe that the cone of experience is still useful for audiovisual material given the time that has passed? How do you achieve this delicate balance between abstract and concrete, passive and active learning experiences? Finally, if you like this type of video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel to get similar types of content. As always, thanks for watching.